All right, Central Florida real estate investors, it's time for the Orlando Regional Realtor Association State of the Market Update. We're going to be giving you November's results. December's results should be coming out shortly, but we wanted to catch you up on November. So let's take a look at November 25 year-over-year changes. Inventory you're going to see is up 7.9% for the year. I can tell you that's lower than the national average of about 13%. New listings down 9% year-over-year. New contracts down 2%. So a lot of people may not be coming to market because they don't like the interest rates or they just don't want to move, but sales are still happening. Pending sales up 6.2%. That's been jumping the last couple months. That's a positive. Median price, you'll see median price change 1.3%. We're going to jump into 2026 here shortly and take a look at what we can expect. What we've kind of seen from our internal data is about a 3 to 5% drop depending on where you're at. We've definitely noticed stuff like Azalea Park has dropped about $25,000 from what we've seen, and that's less than 5% there. So we're seeing some slight drops throughout Central Florida. Average days on market, 76. Average days to sale, 110. Up slightly from year over year, but not too much. And this kind of jumps back into, yes, there are more days on the market. However, you can take steps, which we always preach when you're doing your renovation, is go ahead and get that inspection report either before or preferably after your renovations to make sure that everything is done. That way you're not going to fall out of market if you do get a contract. Really important. You're going to get less swings. You better hit one of those out of the park. All right. So let's now jump over to our Reventure app. This is a subscription Capital Funding subscribes to. We'd like to share it on all of our underwriting and any of our inquiries that prospective or existing borrowers may have. But this is going to be by county in the state of Florida, primarily counties that Capital Funding services, our home price forecast for 2026. Orange County right here, negative 3.9%. Seminole County, negative 3.1% as you get off to the beaches. Volusia is negative 4.9 and Brevard 4.8. If you work your way over to Tampa, which is kind of in the news about getting hit hard for foreclosures, we're going to see Hillsborough, the biggest county over there, 4.4% drop. Pinellas, 7% drop. That kind of leads the way. Osceola, Polk, around 6 and 7%. And then if you move up a little north here, I think Marion County, 7.6%. So a lot of these areas that had massive price appreciation in the last several years are coming down a little quicker than the other ones. But Orange County, Seminole County, Brevard, Volusia, they seem to be stabilizing. Even Hillsborough seems to be stabilizing. So that's good. Just take this into perspective. A 5% drop on your $500,000 house is $25,000. So if you're getting this renovation done quickly, you may only be out there for 6 months. So expect a possible 2.5% drop. Build that into when you're making your offer, or if you're buying it from the wholesaler, maybe you can negotiate a little bit better deal. But definitely work that into your numbers. A slight possible drop from where the current ARV is. Remember, use those current comps for ARV. This is going to help you with your 2026 projects. We want you to succeed. As soon as December numbers come out, we're going to get you an update. Let us know what you're seeing in your market. If you have any projects that are pending or being sold, let us know what you're seeing. Comment below. Let us know what that price appreciation or drop was compared to when you first bought the property. It helps us out a lot. We like to share it as well too. All right, good luck out there.